Here's a complete unboxing and setup of our new red manual wheelchair. It arrives securely packed in a compact box, with most of the chair already pre-assembled. Carefully open the carton and remove each component. After removing the protective packaging, place the wheelchair upright. Gently pull the frame open, then press down on the seat rails until the chair is fully unfolded and stable. Next, install the footrests. Align the mounting pins with the brackets on the front frame. Slide each footrest into position and swing it inward until it locks securely. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now, raise the back section and position the padded back cushion. Fasten the straps firmly around the frame so the cushion stays comfortably in place. Place the seat cushion flat on the seat, align it with the chair, and secure the retaining straps underneath. Before using the wheelchair, check the brakes on both sides. Always engage both brakes before sitting down, standing up, or transferring. The flip-up armrests make side access easier. Simply operate the release lever. No complicated tools, no difficult installation. Your new red wheelchair is assembled and ready to use.